Hey guys, it's Friday, so that means we are going to feature 5 of our diecast models. This is the Jurassic World set for Matchbox. It came in a 5-pack, but that's been opened a bit ago. It includes 5 of the cars. This is the Submarine. Pretty unique. It does not have wheels to roll at the bottom. Next is the Action Armored Transporter. It's very plasticky feeling compared to other diecast models. Next is the Off-Road Rescue Rig. The little brown part comes off here. Another one that feels pretty plasticky. Next is the Jeep Wrangler. Has the mud and some battle damage on this one from fighting the dinosaurs. And then last is the Unimog. And it's got the Dino Transport Cage. That's about it for this 5-pack. Fun if you are a big fan of Jurassic World. Enjoy!